Good morning. I am Amar Bhure. On behalf of SHIV PRABODHINI'S, Balasaheb Thackeray Ias Academy, I welcome to all of you. SHIV PRABODHINI is a public trust. It is an NGO. All programs of Balasaheb Thackeray Ias Academy are designed and run by SHIV PRABODHINI. Mr. Vijay Kadam sir is founder and director of this institution. Through medium of this institution, we provide free coaching to top 1000 students throughout Maharashtra. This coaching will be of 1 year. It is meticulously designed program. In 1 year, we provide almost 400 hours of coaching free of cost. We provide free accommodation for those students who are appearing for mains examination and coming to Mumbai Center. This exam takes 10 to 15 days, and for such long period, it is very difficult for students to sustain in city like Mumbai because it is expensive and there is burden on pockets from students of rural Maharashtra. So we provide free accommodation during UPSC mains exam to all students who are coming to Mumbai. We have good academic track record. Till now, we have 108 students who could clear this prestigious UPSC examination, and they are serving India. They are working in various cadres on posts like IAS, IPS officers. Their dream came true with our support, and we hope that you all will be there to serve our nation. To obey our ethics, we don't say they are our student, rather we say they are academy supported students. We arrange mock interviews in Delhi as well as in Mumbai with the help of serving IAS officer, IPS officers, reputed journalists and ex-panel members to support those students who have cleared mains and appeared for interview of UPSC. We have two main coaching programs. First is 1 year integrated coaching batch where we provide 400 hours of meticulously designed program. This program covers whole syllabus of UPSC. After completing this syllabus, there are so many other benefits also. You can appear for various examinations like RBI Grade B, Staff Selection Commission, State Service Commission like MPSC, MPPSC. You are eligible for that. Syllabus of these other exams is just a subset of UPSC exam. Your knowledge and skill set will be upgraded because of this course. This course is for 1 year. For this 1 year course, we are going to conduct an entrance examination, and those students who secure rank in first 1000, we will provide this course to top 1000 students selected through our entrance examination free of cost, and we are not charging any penny for that. Now, next question arises. What if you are not able to secure rank in first 1000? Still, you want to prepare for UPSC examination? Then also, we are here to support you to ace your UPSC preparation. We are allowing some limited seats rather than free coaching to take admission directly by paying little fees, that is just 10,000 rupees. Another important course is foundation course. Foundation course is for those who are undergraduates, who have not completed their graduation yet and who are not up to the level so that they can face competitive examinations like UPSC. Students from 8th standard onwards, students of SSC, HSC, and those studying in first or second year of graduation can go for foundation course. This will build strong foundation for those, and after building such a strong foundation, you can go for main course, which is highly integrated. All coaching of prelims, mains and interview, that is personality test, will be provided in 1 year full coaching program. I recommend those students who are in third year or last year of graduation, as well as those whose graduation is complete, must go for full 1 year course as their grasping level is good. Those students who have completed their coaching before can also join this course to tune up your preparation. Remember one thing, practice makes man progress. Nothing goes waste. If you are in first 1000, then there is no problem. You will get admission for your free 1 year coaching program. Only you have to do certain formalities like basic documentation, and you have to pay 10,000 rupees as a security deposit, which is totally refundable after attending 75% of total lectures. If you are not confident that you are not able to get rank in first 1000 and can take benefit of free coaching program, you can opt for either foundation program or paid 1 year program, and through that program you can connect with us, you can upgrade your skill set and get success. For foundation course, fees will be only 5,000 rupees. And for free course, it will be 10,000 rupees as a refundable deposit. For students who are not in first 1,000, for them, fees of 1 year paid course will be 10,000 rupees only. So many student, parent ask us question why we are charging 10,000 rupees as a deposit. First, we want all serious candidates to create good educational ecosystem and to engage all serious candidates there in our stream. We are charging this amount as a deposit for that purpose. Second reason is most of students don't have such amount. So for that purpose, they have to consult their parents. They need to take their parents in trust while taking decision. It is mutual bond. That is why those students will be accountable for what they are doing. In this way, their seriousness increases. From our past experience, it is found that those students whose attendance is more than 90%, there are highest chances that they can clear such exam. For those super attentive students, consistency was key to success. After completion of this course successfully with more than 75% attendance, you will get your deposit back. So you can reinvest it in further studies rationally. You can buy books, test series, subscription magazines and other necessary resources for your preparation. You can easily sustain your preparation after completion of this course. Now next thing is regarding admissions. Admission will commence from 27th of July to 31st of July. And for paid course, that is 1 year full course and foundation course, admissions are open all time. Within those time frame, you have to complete all formalities of admission in order to join our course. Actual lectures will start from 1st of August. For students of paid course, we have decided to give some concession. Anytime you can join the course. If you join early, that is before SVP IAS entrance examination, which is scheduled to be conducted on 24th of July, you will get some concession around 1,000 rupees. So instead of 10,000 rupees, you have to pay only 9,000 rupees, and this is promise from my side. In case you paid fees of 10,000 rupees, took admission in our course and simultaneously gave SVP IAS entrance examination and got selected in first 1,000, then your fees will be converted to refundable amount. After completion of course and fulfilling our refund criteria, you can redeem your deposit. Actual lectures will start from 1st of August. Mostly lectures will be conducted 11 am to 1 pm. Detailed lecture schedule is available on our website, that is www.svpias.com. For working professionals and college students, those who are working in any organization and college going students who miss lectures due to overlapping can watch recorded video through portal provided by us. It is found that there are some students from rural area as well as from urban area also, they are having some economic problems. Considering this fact into consideration, we have decided to provide installments for needy students. Installments are available for 1 year course for both free course as well as for paid course. 10,000 rupees is deposit for free course, so you can go for 2 installments. And for paid course also, you can pay fees of 10,000 rupees plus GST in 2 installments. For foundation course, it is just 5,000 rupees, less than a price of a tea, so there is no installment available for foundation course. If you go to coaching institutes like Delhi, Pune, you will find that this program in market is for 2,10,000 rupees. If you go to Rajendra Nagar, Karol Bagh, you will find that in reputed classes, fees will be more than 2,10,000 rupees. We are providing such meticulously designed course for little amount, that is 10,000 only. This is great opportunity in front of you to aspire your goal. Take advantage of it as early as possible and be successful. Don't waste time. Decide which course is best suitable for you. Fully integrated 1 year course or the foundation course. Take right decision. Best day is today and best time and place is right here, right now. I repeat, right here, right now. Be in touch with us. All the best for you and your future. Don't be like an ordinary people. Be different. Thank you. Please watch next video to know everything about UPSC and SVPIS exam. It is too important. Don't miss it. Thank you.